What's good, homies? Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? How you doing? Today, fellas, you might not be really interested in this video. Today I will be unboxing my TropikalBliss kit. TropikalBliss, if you guys have not heard of it, it is a natural hair. Keep looking at myself. It is a natural hair company. They do sell all natural. I believe it's all natural and vegan hair products. So I'm excited and I'm a little pissed because my hair is straight now, so I can't use them right away. My hair is straight. Won't be able to use them right away. I did just get my hair straightened in colors. Shout out to them right there. Follow them on Instagram for your cut colors, straightened braids, all of it. Follow them. Thank you, Tamika. So I will be unboxing. I believe I have the rainforest kit. So I'm excited about what's in here. I want to share with you guys about it. And if you guys are interested in ordering it, and if you use my code SOULBESOJESS, you get 10% off. Who doesn't love anything off? 5%, 2%, 10% off, and shipping I believe is just like flat rate $5 because it's coming from overseas. It does take a little bit of time to get to you guys, but let's get this party started. All right, guys, let's get this party started. So they have little cute little birds on the box. This says incoming freshness, packed with punch, if you guys can see that. Okay, so let's just get to it, okay? All right. Oh, hello. Thank you for shopping with us. Welcome to the Bliss team. What's in here? Let's see, they wrote me a letter. We just got a letter. Okay, dear customer, we apologize for a huge shipment. Oh, yeah, I was very impatient with my shipment. I appreciate the whole letter apology or whatever. I'm not gonna read all this, but thanks. Oh, hello there. This is cute, actually. This is cute. And then this, dear customer, a gift card. Let me take this off camera. I don't want y'all stealing nothing. Let me see what they talking about. Oh, so it's a gift card. You get $5 off your next purchase, which is dope. You get $5 off your next purchase. And if you use my code SOULBESOJESS, you get 10% off that purchase as well. Alright, let's get to it. The first thing I see now is the co-wash. The wild berry co-wash. I want to smell it. You guys who do have natural hair know exactly what a co-wash is. So this is a staple in our bathroom or in our regimen. And it smells freaking awesome. It smells freaking awesome. It smells really good, guys. Great. Let's see what's next. They didn't pack this all pretty like you see on Instagram. Banana leave-in smoothie. Of course, you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna smell this bad boy. Oh my god. Look, smell, guys, smell it. It smells just like bananas, like legit. And this is the shampoo, bamboo, sugarcane shampoo. Made with bamboo, sugarcane, ginger extracts, lifts away impurities, and strengthens the hair shaft. Oh my god. This is making me hungry, bro. Oh my goodness. And again, if you guys don't know, I got the rainforest kit. This is coconut conditioner. This is the first box. And it smells legit straight like coconut. So in this box is the coconut conditioner, the bamboo sugarcane shampoo, the banana leave-in smoothie, and the wild berry co-wash. First box, all right? Let's get to this second bad boy. Oh, hello there. I put this in every box. Okay. So no need. Same thing, I'm pretty sure. Alright. Yes, baby. Second box. Let's see what's in here. Again, they didn't have all that pretty packaging like on Instagram, but I'm not complaining. It's cool. The Marshmallow Melt Mask restores elasticity, rebuilds strength, and deeply nourishing. Made with melting marshmallow and rich shea butter. Of course, you know what you're gonna do. Let's smell it. And it, does marshmallow have a smell? I don't know, but looks awesome. I don't really like the smell of that one. It doesn't really, I don't know what the hell is it supposed to smell like. This pineapple hair milk. I am in love with pineapples right now. If you guys see my house, you understand. This was not open. I think it's because the consistency is more liquidy. So the pineapple hair milk, as soon as I opened it, it like squirted out on me. But it doesn't smell like pineapples. Interesting. Made with tangy pineapple and creamy coconut. It does smell like coconut. Pineapple hair milk. What's this? Chocolate butter. Made with shea and creamy cocoa butter to soften and moisturize brittle, thirsty hair. This better smell like chocolate. Smells just like cocoa butter, and it has the consistency of cocoa butter as well. So interesting. I'm excited, guys, to use all this. And I've been waiting for this. This hair oil, guys, oils is, you know, essential for especially my type of hair, my curnaps, whatever. But I'm excited to use this. Of course, guys, I will be doing a review once I go back to my natural state. Again, I ordered the Rainforest kit. It came with a total of 8 items. This box has the watermelon squeeze, the marshmallow melt mask, pineapple hair milk, and the chocolate butter. I'm excited. I'm so excited, guys. So, I just did the unboxing with you guys. Again, I ordered this from TropikalBliss. I will put the information when I'm done with the video, of course. The Rainforest kit, I think it normally retails at around $100 and something dollars. Not too sure, it's not the top of my head. Came with a total of 8 things: shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, co-wash, hair milk, the watermelon squeeze, the cocoa butter, the chocolate butter, and the marshmallow melt mask. So you get a pretty good amount of things, you know. So yeah. Again, I ordered this from TropikalBliss. You guys can use my code SoulBesselJess to get 10% off of your order. And if you guys do decide to order, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Send me videos of your review over it, or how you feel, or how it works in your hair. Because, you know, everybody's hair is different. I have curnaps. My hair is curly, but it's nappy, so it looks... It's a long story. But ladies, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I cannot wait to use these products. I can't wait. Stay tuned for, maybe I'll do a wash and go for the first video. Maybe I should do it. I'll do a wash and go for my first video. Stay tuned for that, ladies. Make sure you guys, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button so you get, hit the like button, hit that bell so you can notify when I post another awesome video. And if you haven't, check out my social media pages. I'm pretty funny, I'm pretty dope, I'm pretty interesting. So follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Follow me on there. And comment below if you have any ideas or suggestions what my first hairstyle should be with my new hair products. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Peace, love, and tacos. So I was filming for YouTube, and she's eating dinner, but she just wanted to be on camera. Say hi. No? You don't say hi? Say hi. No, say hi. No, say hi. Thank you. You're so sweet. Can I have Beso? Thank you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.